Hey there, my dear English learner. Welcome back to Twin Talk English. My name is Maya, and I am really happy that you're here with me today. Before we begin, I want you to take one small breath with me. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Today's episode is very special because we are going to talk about something that might change your life, just like it changed mine. But first, I want to ask you something. Have you ever tried to change your life, but you gave up too soon? Have you tried to learn English, go to the gym, study better, or improve your habits, but it felt too hard? If your answer is yes, then this episode is for you. Because today, I am going to tell you how one very small habit changed my life in a powerful way, and how you can use the same small habit to improve your English and become the confident person you want to be. So, relax and listen slowly. This story is going to stay with you. A few years ago, my life was very different from what you see today. Every morning, I woke up feeling tired. Not physically tired, but mentally tired. I felt heavy. I felt lost. I had dreams, like everyone does. I wanted to speak better English. I wanted to communicate confidently. I wanted to travel and meet different people. But every time I tried, I felt something stop me. My inner voice kept saying, "You are not good enough. You will never speak fluently. You will make mistakes. Other people are better than you." Maybe you've heard that voice too. I know how it feels. One day I looked at myself in the mirror and I felt disappointed. I felt like I was living the same day, again and again. Same routine, same habits, same struggles. Nothing was improving. Nothing was moving forward. And I realized something very important. My life wasn't changing because I was waiting for a big moment to change. But life doesn't change in big moments. It changes in small moments. One evening, I was sitting in a small cafe, reading a book. The cafe was warm, with soft lights and quiet music. There were only 3 other people in the cafe. Everything felt peaceful. In that moment, an older lady walked in. She looked about 70 years old, elegant and calm. She sat at the table next to me and ordered tea. When her tea arrived, she smiled and said something to the waiter in perfect English. Her voice was soft, clear, graceful. I was surprised. I couldn't stop thinking, how does she speak so well at her age? So I gathered my courage and asked her, "Excuse me, your English is very beautiful. How did you learn?" She smiled, a warm, gentle smile, and she said, "Dear, I just practice 10 minutes every day. Not more, just 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes, not an hour, not a full class, not a big effort. 10 minutes." I looked at her carefully. She continued, "The secret is not doing a lot at one time. The secret is doing a little every day, without stopping." That sentence changed something inside me. At that moment, I realized I didn't need to do big things. I only needed to do one small thing consistently. The next day, I chose one small habit, not a big one, not something difficult. I started listening to English for 10 minutes every morning. Not grammar, not textbooks, not pressure, just listening. Sometimes a story, sometimes a podcast, sometimes a simple conversation. At first, it didn't feel like progress. 10 minutes felt too small, but I didn't stop. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Some days were easy, some days were difficult, but I continued. I didn't worry about mistakes. I didn't worry about understanding everything. I just listened. After 1 week, something amazing happened. My ears started recognizing sounds. Words began to feel familiar. Sentences became clearer. I understood the flow of English. Not perfectly, but better. After 2 weeks, I felt more confident speaking. After 3 weeks, I didn't freeze when someone talked to me. After 1 month, I was a different person. Not because I studied harder, but because I showed up every day, even when it was hard. So here is the lesson I learned. Small habits build big change, not big effort, not big plans, not big goals, just small daily actions. Your brain learns slowly, but very deeply, when you repeat something often. So today, I invite you to start your small habit. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Choose one small English habit. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Watch one short English clip. Write 4 sentences in English. Learn 3 new words. Speak to yourself in English for 2 minutes. But do it every day, even when you feel tired, even when you are busy, even when you don't see results yet. Because one day, without realizing it, you will wake up and understand a full English conversation. You will speak confidently. You will feel proud. And you will remember this moment, the moment you decided to start small. My friend, I believe in you. If I can do it, if the old lady can do it, if millions of learners can do it, you can do it too. Your journey begins with one small habit. Say this with me. I will show up every day, even for 10 minutes. Say it again. I am improving. I am growing. I am becoming confident you are not alone. I am here with you. This community is here with you. Thank you for listening to Twin Talk English, episode 23. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and don't forget, small steps, big change. Goodbye for now.